In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in ClickFunnels. It's a crucial step to ensure your funnels look professional and are connected to your custom domain, giving them that extra touch of credibility. So, let's dive right in and go through this process together. First, you'll need to access your domain settings. Start by logging into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look towards the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and a set of options will appear. From these, select Workspace Settings. This will lead you to a page where you can manage all sorts of configurations related to your workspace. On the left side, there's a menu with various options. Locate and click on the one labeled Domains. This section is where all things related to domains can be adjusted and managed. Now that we're in the domain area, let's move on to actually adding a domain. You're going to want to look for a button that says Add New Domain. Once you find it, click on it. Now, you're presented with a couple of choices, and here you want to select Use an Existing Domain. This option allows you to connect a domain that you already own to your ClickFunnels account. Perfect if you've already purchased one through another registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you've made this selection, you'll see a field prompting you to enter your domain name. Go ahead and type in your full domain, for instance, www.yourdomain.com. Remember to include the www part if that's how your domain appears. After entering the domain name, simply hit Add Domain. And there you have it. Your domain is now added to ClickFunnels. It's important to note, especially if you're doing this for the first time, that there might be a need to adjust your DNS settings with your domain registrar to point to ClickFunnels. But rest assured, ClickFunnels typically provides a guide on how to do this if necessary. As a final tip, always ensure your domain is properly working after configuring it by visiting your funnel through the newly connected domain to see if everything is running smoothly. Making sure these steps are correctly followed will help you leverage ClickFunnels to its fullest potential by ensuring that your customers see a branded, professional, and seamless experience when they visit your site. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to go and start driving traffic to your funnel.